Okay, let's go. You aim it at this thing up here. Ta-da. Then you go on this. How cool is that? I like this one. Have many reflector ones. It's easy. It's an easy refractor puzzle, don't get me wrong. But I do like it. I do like it a lot. Haven't done that in a while. Did you actually technically do it automatically? No, guess not. Right, get it out. Get your thing out. Get it. Get out now. Infected V2, which is going to become like a V. Oh, right, yeah, shit. A V dead soon. That's what I'm going to become. A V dead. Nice! That was quick. You're infected. You're infected. I'm dead. Are you serious? Whoa, that's mean. That is a tad mean. Okay, I know what I'm going to do. Quick look. Since I do want this, I'm going to put the infector there. And also, yeah, you know what I mean. I still think that's a tad mean. Oh well. That's the game, I suppose. That's how the game wants it, and that's how I'll do it. That's how the game wants it. Oh yeah, that's done. That is done, bitch. That is done. The crusty crab pizza is pizza. I've been watching that. It's so funny. It's unbelievable how funny it is. The crusty crab pizza is the pizza after Tivoli. Crusty crab pizza. So funny. It's unbelievable how funny it actually is. After Tivoli. Can I go back? Is it possible? Oh yeah, I can. Nice. Then I'll go into this. I can't believe that the infector's pretty much a V5. And I didn't remember how good it was until just now, which is pretty awesome. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, I've been watching SpongeBob. It's so funny. It's unbelievable how awesome SpongeBob SquarePants is. Anyway, this is Ratchet and Clank, so let's not talk about whoa pain. Somehow that hurt me, despite the fact I had a shield on. It was fascinating. Frankly, I found it absolutely fascinating. Bye. I can see you've been done, so right. Oh, thank God I don't have to do it again. Cool. That makes me happy inside. Makes me happy inside. In my pants. Whoa. This should be open. What did it? You didn't close it. LOL. Lollage cakes. Don't know why I said that. Don't ask. Oh, I wanted to do it myself. The crusty crab pizza is the pizza for you and me. And I am.
Congratulations.
I have reached maximum nanosect level. I have reached that, yes. I have reached to maximum. That's pretty awesome. For I have reached to maximum level of maximum awesomeness. Right, I would like the infector. Come on, this is upgrading now. One hit and it's done! That is the V. That is the V5 of the V5. It has a lock-on mod. Does it now? It's fascinating. It has a lock-on mod. I had a skill point. There you go. Got it. Now I can use this again. Now I can use the weapon I really want to use. I don't really mind if I died, to be honest. I couldn't care less, because I got to upgrade the infector to a V5, and I also not only doing. Oh wow, that turned into a V2. When did that happen? How much ammo has it got now? I don't know. Won't tell me. Oh well, I got that. That's cool. Yeah. Not only that, I got to do. I got the skill point as well. Means I've only got 2 skill points left, which is cool. So yeah, it was worth dying, I think. Die, you whore. That's my coil, here goes. Oh, I have to do this again. Okay, this is the only puzzle I think that doesn't change. Right. Gadgets, yeah, right, there it is. Good. Oh, that's done. Cool. Cool. That's nice. I didn't realise I had to do this one again. I wasn't paying attention, really. Probably should have. Oh well. Done. Right. One more. And I think this is the last room as well. So I'll be going to do the arena challenges again, I think. Methinks the arena challenges are next. Or the final arena challenges that I have not done are next. Exciting, isn't it? Or terrifying. You decide. You decide what you believe. Could this be a V4 before I end this? Possibly. Possibly not. Oh god, maybe not, because I'm going to die. Oh, I'm out of plasma core. No, it won't, because I'm out of plasma. Unless I get some more. Which I did. Okay, interesting. Things are still interesting. Got him. Right. I can't tell if this shield hurts enemies or not. I don't think it does. Bloody hope not, because I don't want it to. I'm pretty sure you're given the option to move or not.
We're too late.
You're not too late yet.
Get in!
I'm pretty sure you're given the option. And if not, I'll choose my option. Oh, I'm not given the option. I used to be able to, I was certain of it. I was certain I could be given the option of choosing where I want to go. I think you have to die for the option to be yours. I think.
There it is! Nefarious has already initiated the launch sequence. If that thing gets into space, Velvet won't have a chance. That's not gonna happen.
No! Don't jump, you fool! Kill me. I dare you. Do it. Well done. Good. Overkill much? I'm sorry, that is overkill. Just a tad.
You again? You will pay for your insolence, you miserable rodent. You'll regret. Sorry, Nefarious. Your flight's been canceled. Lawrence! Lawrence! Lawrence!
How can I be of assistance?
Annihilate him!
Just kidding. You've reached my holographic voicemail. Leave your name and a brief message. Ta-ta.
Fine. I'll do it myself.
Understood. Bye. Right, I'm choosing where I want to go. Thank you. I knew you could return to your ship somehow, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Why am I doing that? Because I really want to do the arena challenges. I don't want to leave it until the challenge mode. So that'll be stupid of me. Anyway. Let's go. Is my ammo full? Yes it is. Awesome. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do this thing. Aha, Annihilation Nation. Here we go. Let's do it. And at any point from then where you can go back and do Nefarious. I don't think this will take long at all. I reckon we've got about an hour left of the game. Roughly. Something like that. Not too long. It's quite cool. Okay. Right, let's see. We've got the sleep inducer. Ah, the rift.
We call this one the Lombax.
Oh, the rift is easy. Goodbye, suckers. You're going into the hole of death. Sounds wrong. Yep, you're all dead, boys. This ain't difficult at all, because whoa! Okay, unless that happens, obviously. Yeah, this ain't difficult because I'm ultimately overpowered here. Because I'm a genius, is what I am. Oh, I got hit. Damn. What a pity. Well, that was done. That was easy. What's next? Quack array. Okay, I can do that, I
You're gonna have
suppose.
to do this with one weapon, folks.
I can do this. Question, can I just take out the big ones? Oh, I can. Awesome. Oh, this is really easy then. This is unbelievably easy.
Come back. Don't look down.
This isn't remotely challenging. So I can actually hit them all. Easily. Oh, Jesus. The only thing I was worried about is if it would actually get the big guys and they'd have to kill themselves. But now I know that it's possible. This is unbelievably easy. And look how cute these things are. This is the easiest challenge ever. So many ducks exploding though. This is actually the easiest challenge ever. Because they can't touch me. And they go instantly, so it's so easy. Unbelievable. I did it without getting one hit. Wow, that is unbelievably easy. Oh god. Buy it. I have to buy it. I have to. You need everything. In this, you need everything. But we're going to wait till the next part.